Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we're going to talk about Vivaldi browser not supported. The error reads, "Browser is not supported. We recommend trying a newer browser." This error comes when users try to access certain websites like Scratch or Twitch using the Vivaldi browser, but the browser gets blocked with a "not supported" message. According to our research, this error is likely caused by compatibility issues with the browser or interference from extensions or spoofing tools. The first thing we suggest is to restart your device and check if your Vivaldi browser needs an update. If yes, then update the browser and see if the error still comes. If the error still comes, and you are running any user agent spoofing software or script ad blockers, then disable them and then try again. If the error still persists, try using a different user profile under the Vivaldi browser and see if the error still comes. If the error still continues, try opening the site in incognito mode. If it works, then disable your browser extensions one by one and check if this helps with the error. At last, if you still get the error, try accessing the site using a different browser and see if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.